Peace. If there is competition, that is a good thing. If it is a situation where there is a lot of people in the market, that is a good thing. If people are making money in that niche, in that market, that is a good thing. Coach Phill here talking about when that question of competition and saturation comes up, what should you do? Number one, it's a good thing. Get excited. Why? If there is competition, that means that there is demand. One of my mentors taught me such a long time ago. He asked me a question. If you were to get a product to take to market and you were to look at the three things that matter in terms of making sure that you get a profit for that product immediately, what would be the most important thing? Would it be how good the product works? Would it be the location of where you open up? Actually, it was a food truck. He said, would it be how good the food truck looks? Would it be how good the food is? Would it be where you pack it? What would it be? All right. So before I continue, actually, can you guys give me some feedback? What do you think would be the most important aspect? All right. The most important aspect for you and that product. What would it be? Would it be where the food truck goes, how good the food is, or how great it looks and all the recipe and all that stuff? What would be the most important part? Okay, share with me if you can in the chat box, wherever it is. Anyway, if there's competition, that's a good thing. The most important thing when you go to market is not the location, is not how good your product looks. It is you must take the product in a place where there is a hungry crowd. Oh, that's right. It doesn't matter how bad the area is or whatever. As long as there's a hungry crowd, it doesn't matter. You park your food truck there. You begin serving those hot dogs. People are going to eat them like crazy because they are hungry. It is a hungry crowd. All right. So if there's competition, that's a good thing. Number one. Number two, you must ask yourself that simple question. Are there people buying this right now? Yes. Are there people paying high dollar ticket for it? Yes. Great. That is the beginning point. Then the next part, okay? And this is so important and so good that it gets me excited to talk about it. Just do a better job in making your offer. Period. Okay, just do a better job in making a great offer. Okay, so you found a great niche. Okay, they have a great problem, hungry crowd. Okay, you have a great solution, your hamburger. What is going to make yours better if somebody else comes and parks a truck next to you and they're selling the same thing? What is going to make yours better? It is going to be the kind of offer that you make. And guess what? There's always going to be an opportunity for you to do better. Let me tell you a quick story, okay? One time I'd been traveling, I'd been traveling all over the place, and it was one of those trips where I was a little bit not as wealthy as I wanted to be. So it was one of those flights that you book, and I think I booked it on what is that? One of the sites anyway. So it is one of those you can't change the ticket. You got to and the waiting times are crazy and stuff like that. So I'd been traveling for about 36 hours. Okay, I think I was coming from Uganda to Ethiopia and then to Europe, and then I was going to the US. It was one of those crazy long flights, and I had my backpack with me, and by the time I got to one of the airports, I was so tired. And I was dragging along, and it was just about the last flight. Okay, I was about to get the last flight, which was going to be about 3 hours before I get to my destination. So I'm walking through this big international airport, and my back is hurting. I am like, you know what? I just can't wait to get home, take this off, get a nice bath, eat and sleep for the next week or so. So as I am walking through this airport, I see a guy in front of me. Okay, he was a Chinese guy, and he looks at me and I look at him. And you know where you connect with somebody and they say something without saying, but you know that they have what you want. Okay. So this guy says to me, "Hey, boss, massage." And in my head, I'm thinking, dude, you have no idea how I would do with a great massage on my shoulders right now. Okay. So he says, free massage. 3 minutes free. Oh, he said 5 minutes free. Okay, now because I was so tired and I just needed a massage, I didn't get whether they said 3 or 5. So I say, yes, of course. He says, he puts a piece of paper under. My head was seeing through. Just before I closed my eyes, he put something under, okay, a piece of paper. And this is what it read. It said, 5 to 10 minutes of massage, $5. 30 minutes with pedicure, whatever, $35 or whatever, I don't remember. And then it said sitting in a massage chair is going to cost you maybe $40 for the rest of, whatever. Now, first of all, remember, I was having the best relief ever. Okay. Number two, he had put me in a position where he had given me such a beautiful massage. I was like, damn, man, I really needed this. Remember, he said to me it was free when I was getting in. Then he presents something to me saying, if you want more of this, then you got to pay. Now, my sales mind, my coach mind, my curiosity mind kicks in. I was so amused and so annoyed at the same time because he put something in front of me that was irresistible. Okay, and I was like, damn. In the meantime, as he has that down there, one of his hands is on one of his muscles, okay, and he's going where it really feels good, that nice pain. So he's going like that, and I'm looking at it saying, shut the door, I need more of this. And then my mind kicks in. I'm like, you clever little bastard, okay, you got me where you want me, so that I got to make a decision. So anyway, I was not doing very well financially then. It's a long time ago. So I was not going to pay for this. The only reason I sat in that chair because he said it's free. However, if I had the money, I would have paid for it and a lot more stuff. Okay. So I stopped him there. I said, no, boss, give me my 5 minutes. Let me get out of here. Okay. Well, it didn't even go to 5 minutes, but I got up and I laughed. I looked at him and I was like, that was so clever. Why do I share this story with you? Listen, there are going to be people in the market who do different things. You just got to make sure that your offer, your product, your service is so good, is so timely, and over-delivers. Then competition ceases to be relevant, okay? Apple came after BlackBerry. Where's BlackBerry now? Okay? The digital phones came after Kodak. Where's Kodak now? Okay? Tesla came after Toyota and all these guys. What is it doing to them? You just got to ask yourself a question. What is that burning problem that my tribe has that I can solve for them? And in solving it, I can do it better, quicker, faster, and take the pain away and present it at the right time. And boom, competition ceases to be what? To be relevant. So I want you today to think about, okay, yes, there might be competition. That's a good thing. It's a sign that people are buying the product. It's a good thing. It's a great thing. Embrace it and say, yes, I love it. Okay. Then ask yourself, how do I separate myself? I got to come up with an amazing product, deliver it in the best possible way that people are like, you know what? It doesn't matter, because whether you want to know, competition is going to be there. It is very rare that you're going to come up with something very different. But if you come up with a great way to stop selling products and give offers instead, okay, where you are packaging things in such a way that they become irresistible, where folk are like, you know what? Yes, both of those packages are good, but man, I'm going to go for this one because of, and then build around that. And in doing that, I guarantee you will not only attract the right people to you, but you will begin to get more clients who are the right client for you and who can afford your product, because it's not a product anymore. It's an offer. You can then go and start charging high-end, high-ticket prices because it's an offer and it's not a product, okay? So as you're out there, number one, competition, welcome it, okay? Number two, as long as you know that you have a solution to a burning problem for your niche, you're in the right place. All you got to do is say, you know what? Let me get in. Let me do what I have to do. And if you like this stuff and you want to go a little bit deeper, you know what to do. Drop me first of all, give me a thumbs up if this was interesting to you. And most importantly, drop me a line anywhere and say, hey, coach, I'd like to know more about this stuff. And it will be an honor, pleasure, as usual, to be able to come out here and serve you. So whatever you're doing out there, number one, competition is good. That means that there's demand for that product. Remember, the best place for you to start your hot dog truck is where there is a hungry crowd. So if there is competition and people are buying, that's a good place to be. That is a mentality switch as well. When you get that switched, boom, you go to the next level. So I don't know about you, but it's always a pleasure. Whatever you're doing today, I want you to believe in yourself and know that, yes, you have the audacity to live life on your terms. Until next time, peace.